Here's number 2.83. So 83 says in letter A, what is a functional group? So a functional group is something that's connected to a chain of carbons that's not carbon and hydrogen. It might contain some hydrogen, but it might not be. And it gives a characteristic name to the type of species. So for example, OH is a functional group, and that makes an alkane now become an alcohol. So an OH is an example of a functional group. Another example would be a double bonded oxygen. If there were a carbon chain and a double bonded oxygen were off it, it would be called a functional group that would make something be a ketone. Another example is a C double bond O and then an OH coming off of a carbon group. This is what makes something be an organic acid. Now, the one you need to know currently in chapter 2 is the OH group, the functional group that makes something be an alcohol. What functional group characterizes an alcohol? In letter B, I just told you, OH. Letter C, write a structural formula for 1-pentanol. So the prefix pent, if you forgot what that means, look on the organic prefixes right here, and pent means 5. So that means I'd have 5 carbons in a row, because that's what the prefix pent means. Fill it all with hydrogens, because remember, each carbon needs 4 bonds. And then off the very last carbon, you will need to have a group to make it be an OL right here, to make it be an alcohol. So off of this one, you need an O bonded to an H to make it be an alcohol called 1-pentanol. I made a substitution of normally an H right here to put the functional group OH there to make it the alcohol pentanol. That's 83.